Now that you know how to do one-step problems, it's time to go on to the two-step problems now, okay? And they'll look something like this. I gave 4 different types that you may see, one that has some addition, subtraction, some multiplication, and division. So there's a little bit of everything in here, okay? Now remember, your goal is letters on one side, numbers on the other. So now on all of these two-step problems, you're gonna have 3 terms. A term just means something that's separated by a plus or minus sign. So I have a term here, I have a term here, and I have a term here. So I want to get all the letter terms on one side, all the number terms on the other. So I'm going to leave everything with the letters alone right now. I'm just going to get all the numbers to one side. So let's just go ahead and go -2, -2. We're just going to start there. Now they're going to become 0, so they die. I'm left with a 3x, so let's just copy it. Always copy these down and don't do these in your head. You're going to win if you do that. Equals 17 minus 2 is 15. Well, now this looks like one of those one-step problems. So you should know what to do now. 3 times x, so we're going to divide, and then we're going to end up with x equals 5 for our answer. Okay? Let's go ahead and do this one. Same thing. I've got a letter term, and I've got a number term, and I've got a number term. Let's get all the number terms on one side. So I'm going to start by going +5, +5. Always start with moving the numbers. It's going to make life way easier for you. Okay, so now they're going to become 0. -2x equals, what's -13 plus 5? Sides are different, so we subtract them, keep the sign of the bigger number. Now this is a one-step equation. Divide each side by a -2, not just 2, you got to do the -2, and please write the negative every time. If you forget to write it, you're going to make a sign error. X equals negative times a negative is a positive, and I get a +4. Okay? Now we have some fractions. I hate fractions. Oh my gosh, get me rid of the fractions. Leave the fraction alone for right now. Just move the numbers. I have a number here, I have a number here. Let's combine all the numbers together. We're going to do that by getting the number over here. So we're going to add 6 and add 6. We're just going to ignore the whole fraction right now. Now, when I bring it down, I'm going to get x over 2, they die, equals 14 plus 6 is a 20. Now we're back to a one-step problem. X divided by 2, what's the opposite of divide by? Multiply. Do it on both sides. They die. X equals 40. Okay? And the last one over here, same thing. Let's get all the numbers together on one side of the equation. -4. Boom. Die. I did nothing to that fraction. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy him down. That's all I'm doing is copying. 24 minus 4 is 20. Now all I have to do is multiply each side by a -5. Ooh, my penmanship. And I'm going to be left with x equals -100. Now, I have some worksheets that are online at maxtutorials.com. The best way for you to get comfortable with these is just to do a ton of them. So I have a lot of worksheets. I'm going to do them by hand. Go ahead and watch me do them. And then once you feel comfortable, do them on your own. And then just look at the end to see if you got them right. Just scroll to the end of that video. Use it as an answer key. And if you got them all right, cool. If you got some wrong, go back in the video. See where you got it wrong. And the more you practice these, the better you're going to get. It's really that simple. All right? So do these, and you're going to be a whiz in algebra in no time.